Ej, kako pa da se nič ne driča?
Lahko pogledate, mogoče malo pomoči od špic.
Malo pomoči imaš. Ja. No, pokaž, kako grejo hrib. Pokaž. Tec.
Lahko grem tudi nazaj.
Tudi nazaj greš. Kaj pa naprej?
Ja?
Super. Kaj pa imamo tukaj? Kdo prihaja? Tole je pa tudi prvič. Kako pa da tep nič ne driča, Rikard? Stric se rekel, še malo pa bomo na vrh.
Ja.
Kako delaš kamerico, da je kipco?
So what's your champagne slip doing with my ripped jeans? You only call me on the weekend when you're painting the town and no one else is around. You only call me on the weekend when we dance in the dark, feels like we're miles apart. You only call me on the weekend. Another 20-something summer night. You and I, we were guided by moonlight on a midnight ride. While I was caught up in time, you were just wasting mine. I guess that's alright.
Bisva. Panovac.
We can fake it for the night, baby. I know you style.
Malo počakava pa greva, ne?
In your pocket, pick me up when
Okay.
you like. So what's your champagne slip
Bravo.
doing with my ripped jeans?
Tako ja. Dobar je, dobar.
You only call me on the weekend when you're painting the town and no one else is around. You only call me on the weekend when we dance in the
To je slabši del poti za nazaj.
Ja,
Po tej strani.
težka je bila, ne?